I'm Anil Kumar. Let us practice how to add and subtract complex numbers. We'll begin with an expression which has only imaginary part. Simplify 5i cubed plus 3i to the power of 5 minus 4i to the power of 7 minus I to the power of 9. Now it is important to understand that I square is minus 1. I cube is minus 1 times I, so it is minus I. And I to the power of 4 is I square square, right, is minus 1 square and is equals to 1. So if you could write them as power of 4, it kind of becomes simpler, all right? But anyway, let's begin. So what we are given here is 5i cubed plus 3i to the power of 5 minus 4i to the power of 7 minus I to the power of 9, right? Now let us see how to solve them. I cube is minus I. So I'll write this as 5 times minus I plus I to the power of 5. Now it's a good practice to write I to the power of 5 as I to the power of 4. Since I to the power of 4 is 1 times I, right? Does it make sense to you? Okay. The next one here is minus 4 I to the power of 7. So I'll write I to the power of 7 as I to the power of 4 times I cube. Is it okay? Now I cube is minus I. I'll do it in the next step. Now here we have I to the power of 9. So I to the power of 9 is I to the power of 4. You write this as a square of this will give us 8, right? 4 times 2, 8. We are still left with one more I, so times I. So likewise, you could break this up in terms of different exponents of I and then solve. I times minus I is minus 5i, 5 times minus I. Here, I to the power of 4 is 1, so we get plus 3i. In this case, I cube is minus I, so that makes this as positive. But let me go in 2 steps. This is times 1, and I cube is minus I. Is it okay? And then we get minus I here, since I to the power of 4 is 1. So we get minus 5i plus 3i. Minus and minus becomes plus. We get 4i minus I. Okay? So all these terms have I in them. So we can combine the negative and positive terms. Minus 6i plus 7i, which is equals to just I. Right? So that is how you could actually simplify an expression as given here. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.